Lightning is lightning, and if it goes into your body, you have been injured.
So how do we protect ourselves?
The only storm killers that are above lightning are tornadoes and floods. The three mottos that we teach for lightning safety in the United States are: 1, when thunder roars, go indoors.
Dr. Cooper says there are only 2 suitable options for safety: a substantial building or an all-metal vehicle. But even then, Steve Marshburn thinks you can never be too careful.
We have many members that were inside a building, on the bed.
I was laying in bed one night, next thing I knew, right through the window, bam.
No place outside is safe when thunderstorms are in the area. 30 minutes since thunder roared, now it's safe to go outdoors.
Lightning awareness and safety has gotten so good in the last few years that Dr. Cooper worries about the future of her career.
We've cut the number of deaths and injuries in the United States from lightning down to such a small number that, I joke with my other weather friends who do this, lightning people, that we put ourselves out of business.
While the number of deaths are certainly lowering each year, the lightning strike and electrical shock survivors group keeps growing. For a look into their annual conference in Virginia, revisit part 1 here. And click here for some surprising supernatural powers that will leave you speechless.